What if I told you that a food sitting in your kitchen right now, something that costs less than $1, could actually rebuild your muscles after 70? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing, doctors are shocked by this. Researchers at some of the top universities in America have confirmed it, and yet almost nobody over 70 is using it correctly. Stay with me till the end of this video, because what I'm about to share could genuinely change the way you feel, move, and live. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place where we break down real health science in a way that actually makes sense for everyday people. Today we're talking about something that affects almost every single person over the age of 70, and most people don't even know it's happening to them. It's called muscle loss, and it is silently stealing your strength, your independence, and your quality of life. But here's the good news. There is a fix. A simple, affordable, science-backed fix. And we're covering it all today. First, let's talk about what's actually going on inside your body after 70. There's a medical condition called sarcopenia. It's a fancy word that simply means age-related muscle loss, and it is extremely common. Here's what the numbers look like. After the age of 30, your body starts losing muscle, about 3 to 5% per decade. But after 70, that process speeds up dramatically. Studies show that people over 70 can lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every single year if they're not actively fighting it. And here's why that matters. You feel weaker and more tired doing everyday tasks. Your balance gets worse, increasing your fall risk. Your metabolism slows down, making weight gain easier. You lose independence. Simple things like carrying groceries or climbing stairs become harder. And most people just accept this as a normal part of aging. They think, well, I'm just getting older. This is how it is. But that thinking is completely wrong, and science proves it. Here's where things get really interesting. In a landmark study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers followed over 1,700 adults aged 67 to 80 for 3 years. What they found was stunning. The participants who consumed high-quality protein consistently, especially from one specific food source, maintained significantly more muscle mass than those who didn't. We're talking about measurably stronger muscles, better balance, more energy. Another study out of the University of Texas Medical Branch found that older adults who ate this food regularly experienced what scientists called muscle protein synthesis. Basically, your body actually rebuilding and repairing muscle tissue. At age 70, at age 75, even at age 80, your body never loses the ability to build muscle. It just needs the right fuel. And the food that kept showing up in study after study after study, it's not some expensive superfood from a health store. It's not a protein shake or a supplement. It's something you probably already have in your refrigerator right now. It's eggs. Yes, the humble, everyday, incredibly affordable egg. Now, before you click away thinking, I already knew that, hear me out. Because most people have no idea just how powerful eggs actually are for adults over 70. And most people are eating them the wrong way. Here's what makes eggs so extraordinary for aging muscles. Number 1, complete protein. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality complete protein. That means it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle tissue. Number 2, leucine. This is the most important one. Eggs are rich in an amino acid called leucine, which acts like a biological on switch for muscle building. Without enough leucine, your body simply cannot rebuild muscle, no matter what else you eat. Number 3, vitamin D. Most Americans over 70 are deficient in vitamin D, and that deficiency directly causes muscle weakness. Eggs are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D. Number 4, healthy fats. The fat in egg yolks reduces inflammation in your joints and muscles, which means less pain and better recovery. Number 5, choline. This nutrient supports the connection between your brain and your muscles, improving coordination, balance, and reaction time. And all of this for about 20 to 30 cents per egg. You cannot find a better deal in nutrition, period. Okay, so now the big question. How should you actually be eating eggs to maximize muscle rebuilding? Here are the best methods backed by science. Method number 1, boiled eggs in the morning. The simplest and most effective way. Have 2 to 3 whole eggs, boiled or poached, within an hour of waking up. Your body is in a fasted state in the morning and absorbs protein most efficiently at this time. Important, eat the whole egg, yolk included. So many people throw away the yolk, and that's actually where most of the nutrition lives. Method number 2, eggs after light exercise. Even a short 10 to 15-minute walk counts as exercise. Having 2 eggs within 30 minutes of any physical activity dramatically increases how much muscle protein synthesis your body produces. The combination of movement plus protein is far more powerful than either one alone. Method number 3, egg and vegetable scramble. Scramble 2 to 3 eggs with spinach, tomatoes, and a little olive oil. The vegetables add antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, and the olive oil improves nutrient absorption. Method number 4, hard-boiled eggs as a snack. Instead of crackers or chips, keep hard-boiled eggs in your fridge for a mid-afternoon snack. This keeps your protein intake steady throughout the day, which is key for muscle maintenance. How many eggs per day? Research suggests 2 to 3 eggs daily is the sweet spot for most adults over 70. Some studies have shown benefits with up to 4 eggs per day in healthy individuals. Now let me quickly cover the most common mistakes people make, because doing this wrong will cancel out all the benefits. Mistake number 1, skipping the yolk. I said it before, but it's worth repeating. The yolk is where the vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats live. Egg white-only diets are significantly less effective for muscle rebuilding in older adults. Mistake number 2, not eating enough total protein. Eggs are powerful, but they work best as part of an overall high-protein diet. Make sure you're also getting protein from other sources like chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, or legumes throughout the day. Mistake number 3, being too sedentary. Eggs give your body the building blocks for muscle. But your body only uses those building blocks if there's a reason to build muscle. Even light movement, walking, stretching, chair exercises, sends the signal to your body to start rebuilding. Mistake number 4, cooking at too high a temperature. Scrambling eggs on extremely high heat can degrade some of the protein quality. Medium heat is ideal. Gentle cooking preserves the most nutrition. Mistake number 5, worrying too much about cholesterol. This is a big one. Many older adults avoid eggs because they're worried about cholesterol. But current research, including guidelines from the American Heart Association, shows that for most healthy people, dietary cholesterol from eggs has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. Always check with your doctor if you have specific heart conditions, but for most people, eggs are completely safe and highly beneficial. Now let me paint you a picture of what's actually possible. Research shows that older adults who combine adequate protein intake with light resistance activity can gain measurable muscle mass in as little as 8 to 12 weeks. We're not talking about becoming a bodybuilder. We're talking about climbing stairs without holding the railing, getting up from a chair without struggling, carrying your groceries without feeling exhausted, playing with your grandchildren without pain, feeling confident and strong in your own body. That is what's possible at 70, at 75, at 80. Your body is not done. It just needs the right support. And something as simple as 2 eggs every morning, combined with a short daily walk, could be the beginning of a completely different chapter for your health. All right, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered today. Muscle loss after 70 is real, but it is not inevitable. Eggs are one of the most powerful and affordable muscle rebuilding foods on the planet. The key nutrients are protein, leucine, vitamin D, healthy fats, and choline. Aim for 2 to 3 whole eggs per day, yolk included. Eat them in the morning or after light exercise for maximum benefit. Combine with light daily movement for the best results. Avoid the common mistakes, especially skipping the yolk. Now I want to hear from you. Are you going to try this? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you want more science-backed health tips specifically for people over 60 and 70, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. You deserve to feel strong and healthy at every age. God bless.